We're expanding the Avery Dennison lineup, and it's just in time for trade show and event season. We're excited to introduce removable adhesive options across the MPI 3800 range, giving you more flexibility, easier installation, and clean removability when the event is over. Now, you can spec Avery Dennison on more jobs. With the MPI removable lineup now available through DIGIPRINT Supplies, you get a premium removable adhesive monomeric vinyl that fits your budget, not just your high-ticket projects. So whether you're running short-term graphics, pop-up retail installs, or back-to-back event work, you no longer have to settle for lesser material just to protect your margins. Removable vinyl is the go-to for trade fairs, temporary retail displays, pop-up displays, and event graphics. Any job where the graphics need to come off cleanly without damaging the surface underneath. A graphic that goes up Friday comes down easily on Sunday. This is a media you can trust, one that won't lift paint, leave residue, or let you down in front of a client. Choose from gloss or matte finish, and white or gray removable adhesive. All in stock in Germany with next day delivery. Avery Dennison quality, budget pricing, next day delivery. That's MPI 3800 removable. Order now at digiprint-supplies.com.